friends, I am Yashar from Indonesia. It is nice to see you again. This time I will present the article Convincing Evidence of Cloud and Rain Model Universe. It is declared that Cloud and Rain Model Universe has equality pattern with the Earth and the cloud. Galaxy clusters have equality pattern with the cloud on our sky. The cycle of events in space is the continuous construction of galaxies, cloud, and condensation of aged galaxies and crashed galaxies. The condensed galaxies or dead galaxies will fly toward universe core like rain over our home. The age of the universe is infinite, at least until up-to-date science and space observation. Until now, at least, there are 6 convincing evidence of cloud and rain model universe, which are 1. Galaxy clusters have equality pattern with the cloud on our sky. 2. Universe nucleus. 3. The keys to have equality pattern with the rain on our Earth. 4. Age of the universe is infinite. 5. Asymmetry, CMB. 6. Space expanding concept of Big Bang theory. The following are discussions about those evidence. 1. Galaxy clusters have equality pattern with the cloud on our sky. Galaxy cluster contains trillions of stars. Structure of galaxies and galaxy clusters are irregular. The pictures of galaxy cluster are even quite like the pictures of the cloud on our sky. They are only color different. The pattern of galaxy cluster containing trillions of stars is the same like the pattern of the cloud containing trillions of atoms, hydrogen and oxygen. Every atom contains atom nucleus which is orbited by electrons. There is quite far distance between electrons and atom nucleus. The distance is so much bigger than the size of electron. Likewise, distance between atoms is so much bigger than the size of electron. This situation has equality pattern with solar system where there is so much distance between planets and stars. The distance is so much bigger than the size of planets. Likewise, distance between stars is so much bigger than the size of planets. The situation is solar system has equality pattern with atom and planets has equality pattern with electron. So, galaxy cluster have equality pattern with the cloud on our sky. 2. Universe nucleus. The indication of the universe core is dark flow, which was claimed by Alexander Kozlowski and his collaborators in 2008. Distant galaxy clusters mysteriously stream at a million miles per hour from a path roughly centered on the southern constellation Centaurus and Hydra. Regardless of what caused it, many astronomers today do agree that studying CMB maps show paths of giant clusters of galaxies moving approximately 2 million miles per hour towards a point between the constellation Centaurus and Hydra. While this would not be significant normally, they are moving in a direction that is separate and different from the direction of the expansion of the universe. Nevertheless, dark flow is denied by Big Bang theory. Astronomers have been debating for years over whether or not dark flow is real, and if so, what the cause of it would be. Those that do not believe in it have some reason. The distribution of matter in the universe doesn't account for it, but those who believe it is occurring are continuing to experiment and study this phenomenon. And the following is more interesting. A spread theory of invasion of the universe posits that the universe we observe is only a small bubble of space-time that got rapidly expanded after the Big Bang, and that there could be other parts of outer space beyond our bubble that we are unable to see. In these regions beyond the bubble, space-time could be entirely different from how we experience it. In addition, it most likely would not have stars or galaxies, possibly containing supermassive structure that would be much larger than anything in our universe. Scientists who support this theory believe that the supermassive structures are the cause for dark flow, pulling galaxy clusters from outside our bubble. The point of this supermassive structure is what Cloud and Rain Model Universe expect to show the pulse of the universe core. So, while Big Bang theory denied dark flow, Cloud and Rain Model Universe thanks dark flow for its role to unveil where the universe core is. It is southern constellation Centaurus and Hydra. 3. The case to have equality pattern with the rain on our Earth. See the following script. Over 700 trillion stars suddenly vanished. Now something emerged. Over 700 trillion stars suddenly vanished. Now something emerged. So for the most distant galaxies, we can almost go back to the Big Bang. Imagine looking at the night sky and finding it empty. There are no stars, no galaxies, only darkness. What if we told you that this is more than just a thought? What if we told you that more than 700 trillion stars have disappeared from Earth? Confusing scientists and surprising the world. But wait, there is more. Something came out of the void. Empty, empty. This is not a cosmic mystery, but this discovery will challenge everything we previously believed about the universe. We will embark on an adventure into the depth of space where the impossible becomes possible and the unexpected becomes reality. Okay, remember that the stars with its solar system in galaxy cluster have equality pattern with atoms in the cloud of our sky. Then 700 trillion stars are about comparable with numbers of atoms, hydrogen and oxygen in the cloud of our sky. So the case of over 700 trillion stars suddenly vanish is just like rain on our Earth. Yes, it is just the rain that is happen in the universe. Although it is still imperfect since there is no sign yet of the direction where were those vanishing stars heading. But at least Big Bang Theory is still having puzzle with this very significant point of cloud and rain model universe. This case, over 700 trillion stars suddenly vanish, has equality pattern with the rain on our Earth. 4. Age of the universe is infinite. The following is one significant sample from many other cases to show that the age of the universe is infinite. James Webb Telescope just detected 750 galaxies beyond the observable universe. James Webb Telescope just detected 750 galaxies beyond the observable universe. Physicists say that the universe originated in an event known as the Big Bang approximately 13.7 billion years ago. However, the question arises, what caused that explosion and why did it occur? Over time, extensive research and studies of our universe have pointed to the Big Bang as the predominant explanation for everything we have observed. Countless studies and thousands of scientists have supported the Big Bang Theory as the main explanation for how the universe was formed. According to this theory, dark energy is a form of energy even more abundant than galactic energy and is considered the anti-gravitational force responsible for the continued expansion of the universe since the Big Bang. Science today is very different from what it was in the past, and its technological advance new theories emerge. Often we discover that things we once believed to be absolutely true are far from it. Michio Kaku has raised the possibility of debunking the Big Bang. This is because the James Webb Telescope has detected 750 new galaxies that look nothing like what was expected. This raises a new perspective and leads us to delve deeper into how the James Webb Telescope is changing our understanding of the universe as a whole. Even since many years before this case, James Webb Telescope just detected 750 galaxies beyond the observable universe. There are many cases to indicate that the age of the universe is infinite, which are Huge LQG or Large Quasar Group discovery at early 2013, Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall discovery at November 2013, and JWST discovery of 6 galaxies from the beginning of the universe at early 2023. So the answer of all those cases is cloud and rain model universe. 5. Asymmetry CMB. The cosmic microwave background CMB is leftover radiation from the Big Bang, or the time when the universe began. The universe began 13.8 billion years ago, and the CMB dates back to about 400,000 years after the Big Bang. That's because in the early state of the universe, when it was just 1 per 100 millions the size it is today, its temperature was extreme, 273 million degrees above absolute zero, according to NASA. The maps give rise to new mysteries, however, such as why the southern hemisphere appears slightly redder or warmer than the northern hemisphere. The Big Bang Theory says that the CMB would be mostly the same no matter where you look. They also saw a strange asymmetry in every temperature in both hemispheres of the sky, and a cold spot that was bigger than expected. The above are the short words about asymmetry CMB. Cloud and rain model universe state that CMB is the trace of dark matter dynamics. dark matter is the spreading of micro-sized compressed matter in space. Refer to the derivation of Newton gravity equation. F equal G times D1 times D2 times M1 times M2 divided T1 times T2 times R squared. Dark matter as the micro-sized compressed matter at normal pressure is only present at extremely low temperature only 0 degree Kelvin. That is why the temperature of CMB 2.73 degree Kelvin. According to Cloud and Rain Model Universe, southern hemisphere really must appear slightly redder or warmer than northern hemisphere. It is because the location of the universe core at southern constellation Centaurus and Hydra. This situation has equality pattern with atmosphere of our Earth. The farther the location from Earth, the colder it will be. 6. Space expanding concept of Big Bang Theory. Cloud and Rain Model Universe noticed that until now, we only get to observe just a part of the entire universe. It is expected even less than 20% of the whole universe. So, the case with Big Bang Theory assumes the space expanding is only the case in a part of the universe. That case has equality pattern with the event. If we release thousands of balloons from one area at the Earth to spread out to the air, every balloon will recede from each other with the receding velocity increase by increasing the distance. That is the way Cloud and Rain Model Universe answer the space expanding concept of Big Bang Theory. 7. Journey of Voyager 1 and Voyager 2. The journey of Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 at nearing the outer of solar system and at interstellar is expected could answer whether dark matter concept of Cloud and Rain Model Universe is correct or not. According to Cloud and Rain Model Universe, dark matter is the spreading of micro-size of compressed matter in space. Compressed matter is the matter where there is no space in the entire matter. When dark matter particles enter the edge of solar system, based on the equation F equal G times D1 times D2 times M1 times M2 divided T1 times T2 times R squared, and due to temperature increasing, it will convert into subatomic matter particles, which has been identified as cosmic ray. See article Urgent Update Voyager Probe Struggle with Cosmic Ray Intensifies, NASA Space News. The above article is harmonious with Cloud and Rain Model Universe expectation that there should be intense conversion of dark matter into subatomic matter, identified as cosmic ray at the edge of solar system. Then when Voyager starts to travel out of solar system to enter interstellar, Voyager will get the extreme low temperature at almost 0 degree Kelvin. That is because there is no heat source over there. According to the equation F equal G times D1 times D2 times M1 times M2 divided T1 times T2 times R squared, ordinary matter will convert into compressed matter at the temperature nearing 0 degree Kelvin. Yes, according to Cloud and Rain Model Universe, in that interstellar, there is dark matter particles with its dynamics moving at the very high speed. On the whole, in that interstellar, Voyager will face barriers like 1. Temperature nearing 0 degree Kelvin. If Voyager cannot maintain the spacecraft and its surrounding temperature with fuel Voyager has, so the temperature gets nearing 0 degree Kelvin, the spacecraft will convert into compressed matter. If so, it means end of the mission. 2. Voyager might be able to maintain the craft and its surrounding temperature to be hot enough to prevent it from the conversion into compressed matter. But in this case, the spacecraft still suffer from attack of dark matter particles, which is micro-size of compressed matter particles. And this attack is far more brutal than cosmic rays at the edge of solar system. 3. Besides getting storm of dark matter particles in interstellar, Voyager spacecraft still could get bombarding from various sizes of space debris. For sure, this debris is a kind of compressed matter. This attack from this debris would destroy the craft severely. So, in the case we get none of the 3 barriers above to happen with Voyager, and the Voyager easily and safely arrive to the nearer star, then it means the concept of dark matter and the compressed matter of Cloud and Rain Model Universe is wrong. Likewise, cloud and rain model universe concept. Thank you friend, see you to the next article. Derivation of Newton gravity equation and concept of compressed matter.